Wagwan, beautiful people.
What's up, guys?
Welcome once again to another episode of Cooking with Nino. So just imagine you just got home from work or school and you're not quite sure what to make for dinner. And you look around in your fridge and you find some jerk chicken that's been hanging out there for a couple of days or that you didn't eat the day before. Let me tell you something. You just gotta assemble that with some coleslaw and fry some plantain and put it all together. Pa-pam! You got dinner. So stay tuned and watch me as I go through this. Get a sandwich ready for you with some jerk chicken, coleslaw, and some plantain. So here we go. Plantain in small slices. And just putting in the oil. The oil is nice and hot. And just getting the plantain in there. We're going to get them fried nice and golden brown. Let me tell you, these are going to go very well. It's going to go right into our jerk chicken wrap sandwich. Now you want to make sure that the plantains are ripe. Nice and, how you tell they're ripe? Well, they're going to be nice and yellow and they're going to have a little softness to them. Okay, in my opinion, the softer the better. So, all right, this is what a plantain looks like. This is the actual plantain.
So guys, a ripe plantain is best when it has some black patches on it, still has the yellow skin, and still slightly firm to the touch.
I call it plantain. Some people call it plantain. You know, some people call it a large banana, whatever it is, but it is a plantain. So we're just trying to get the nice golden brown color. As you can see, once you get one side golden brown, you want to flip them over to the next side. Allow the other side to get golden brown, and then that's pretty much it. So these, we're just gonna keep flipping them till we get the right color, the perfect color. Like, look at this one. We got us a perfect color there. Nice and golden brown on both sides. Leave that in just for a smidgen. We've got our jerk chicken all ready here. Now, we can always use, you don't have to really go out and make a fresh jerk chicken. What you can do, if you have some leftovers, ideally, you'll be using it for a sandwich. So we'll be using it for a wrap today. I'm just gonna use my fork and just kind of, tear it apart. Remove the meat from the bone. And what I'm trying to do here is to get the meat itself to start absorbing some of that lovely jerk gravy that's in the bottom. So I don't want to waste that stuff. I want to just get as much of this meat as possible off the bone. And it will absorb that gravy and it's just going to taste lovely when we start to assemble our sandwich.
We'll drop the link in the description below if you want to know how to make jerk chicken.
So right now, guys, I'm all set with my jerk chicken wrap. I'm all set with all my ingredients. I've got my jerk chicken here, okay, all shredded up. After cooking, I've got my plantain, nicely fried golden brown. And I've also got a little coleslaw here. I made a little coleslaw ahead of time. Okay, there we go. It's just a couple of different variety of cabbages there with some carrots. And I add a small bit of sugar to it and some mayonnaise, just to kind of get it that creamy little tinge. Now, you got to bear in mind that the jerk chicken itself is very spicy. So with the plantain and the coleslaw, it's just going to tame that harshness, that hot. You don't have time to get your all these cabbage, and I mean it's a small amount of coleslaw. You can always buy a store-bought product, and you can just assemble your jerk chicken wrap, which I'm about to do. So first thing is first, I've got a couple of tortilla shells over here. Okay, again. So there are my shells. There we go. Let's turn it upside down, right side up. Okay, we've got a shell. They're fairly large shells. Okay, but you can get smaller ones if you want, but I prefer to use these ones. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spread just a bit of mayonnaise on the bottom of this, just to kind of get it going, just to create some moisture. All right, we're going to have plenty, but just a wee bit. And in doing so, I am going to put my jerk chicken. Just going to put my jerk chicken just dab smack in the middle. You can put as much as you want or as little as you want. All right, we're just gonna spread the jerk chicken all over that. Get some more down there. And I'm making these 2 sandwiches, and trust me, I'm not eating both of them. I think Lo is gonna have to help me with one of these. All right, so after I'm all done with that, I'm gonna get my coleslaw, and I'm gonna just add some of my coleslaw on there. All right, just kind of spread her out. Again, as much or as little as you want. All right, I think that's plenty there. Oh, what the heck? Why don't we just finish off the whole thing? Why save it? Just get it all in there. All right. Okay, and then I've got my golden brown fried plantain. I'm just gonna drop a few pieces on top of here. And now, because the plantain is got a little bit of a sweet tinge to it, it's going to help to tame that spiciness of the jerk. All right, let's get another one in there. I'm gonna put 3 of them in each. All right, I'm just gonna spread that out a bit. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna fold it. All right, so we're just gonna pull it back. Ensure that you grab a hold. I'm placing my hand on the plantain just to kind of hold it down and just roll. Okay, roll, and I just pull it back towards me. All right, and just fold the edges. Fold the edges. All right, there we go. This one is kind of slipping out. Just give the edge a little fold, and then just continue to roll. Just kind of seal everything in, just like that. All right, we're gonna do that one more time. We just pull it, finger on the plantain, and just pull it. I want to pull all the ingredients all the way back, as far back as I can, and then I'm going to fold the edges. Once I get that fold, I'm just going to continue to roll, just like that. So the jerk chicken is all ready. The jerk chicken wrap kicked up another notch. Got the coleslaw and the plantain, and got on the side there a little papaya, but let me tell you something, it's nothing like the first bite. So here we go, check this out. Boom. It is wicked. So don't forget, check it out. Check out the episode we got, previous episode of making jerk chicken. Get together your jerk chicken wrap, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we will have the description down below, so check it out. So check this out. We've got our jerk chicken wrap. It's just kicking. It's up another notch. Just check it out. Check out for the description and the link below, and for our jerk chicken recipe. Jerk chicken's all ready. Lo wants to rest her fat feet. So what we're gonna do is
Okay, you're doing too much.
Thank you. So we've got a jerk chicken all set and ready to go. Looking good, scrumptious. We're just waiting to kick it off. So check out the link in the description. And let me tell you something. You're going to really enjoy this. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm big up.
Damn, tastes so good, make you want to slap your mama.
So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode.